Today, we're settling a 60-year-old rivalry that never actually happened on screen. It's the ultimate 1960s TV crossover, Secret Agent James West versus the Clown Prince of Crime himself. First up, we have Robert Conrad as James West. The Wild Wild West was basically James Bond in the 1800s. Think steampunk gadgets, secret trains, and that signature roundhouse kick I've engraved here. Facing off against him is Cesar Romero's Joker. This was the era of pop and zap. And Romero brought a theatrical madness to Batman that was pure pop art cat. Just look at that iconic grin emerging on the wood. Etching this was a challenge, blending the gritty, shaded textures of a western with the sharp, comic book lines of the 1966 Batman series. Getting those ZOK and kapow words to pop really brings that vintage TV energy to life. Could James West's gadgets outsmart the Joker's tricks? One is a master of the Old West, the other a master of Gotham's chaos. It's a battle for the ages, right on your coffee table. Who takes this fight? The secret agent or the clown? Let me know in the comments. Stick around for the 1960s TV quiz.